You and me are going on what could be my best and worst journey yet. I really can't fuck it up. I'm pretty confident that I can't fuck it up. Well, I can fuck it up, but I'm convinced that I won't fuck it up. It's boiling, so real quick, please set a timer for 10 minutes. Do that because it's threatening to boil over. I'd tell you how my rice is doing, but I don't want to. Oh, I'm the greatest chef that's ever lived! What's burning? Why does it smell so bad in here? Are you burning? Let me in, let me see you. Let me see you, girl. It smells like my rice is burning, and I swear to God, if I open it up and I have burnt rice, this is going to be like my 13th reason, because I've made rice so many times and never had a problem. Why is it the minute I turn on the camera is when I have problems when I'm cooking? No, dude, it smells so burnt. So I'm hoping there's just something on my stove and I didn't know it. Oh, God. Or I just am really bad at making rice. Okay, good news is the rice looks okay. I don't think I see burning. I think I burned it. No. No fucking way. Maybe those are just air holes and that's just the bottom and it's normally that color. No, I burnt it. I can tell. I just know I burnt it. It smells too much like burnt in my house for it to be leftover stuff on my stove. Plus I wiped the stove down before I started, so I was kind of hoping maybe it's just a water thing. Why is it that I can't cook as soon as the camera turns on? It's like something takes over me. I become possessed by the ability to no longer be able to cook. There's something in here that goes, oh, oh, as soon as the camera hits, and it's like I lose all function. I can't do anything that I normally know how to do. I'm going to be very upset if I have to start over. If I don't have this rice, we don't get to continue the next step for another 20 minutes because I have to start over on the rice. You see the problem? I smell the problem. It's the burnt rice sitting in front of me. Stoked. Cannot wait to start this. I'm literally gonna crash out, actually. I'm so fucking scared right now. That's me and him. I burnt it. I burnt it. I burnt it. I burnt it bad. Oh, I burnt it so bad. You guys, it's not even worth saving. Oh, I burnt it so bad. Oh my God, it's so hot. I burnt it. I burnt it.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
If it smells like it's burning, it fucking is. One more. I love cooking. I love cooking. Hi, I burnt the shit out of it. Can I throw it out? I love cooking! Will this pan never be the same? Genuinely. I'm asking for so genuinely right now. Or is this a lost cause pan? This sounds bad, right? This is so embarrassing. It's gotta be at least a little entertaining to watch me continuously make choices. I know what you're thinking. How have I survived this long? I don't know either. Luck? I got other skills. I'll make a mean PBJ. You guys. First thing I think I'm gonna do is just put Dawn dish soap and just in it. This is horror movie lighting. We're here to see if I can save my pan. I don't know if I can save my pan. Okay, you know what? Hold on, girl. Oh, God. Don't look. Me and Miss Girl. So what I think I'm gonna do is put more Dawn dish soap in here. Because if it's safe for the birds, it's safe for me. Do I wet this? Fuck it, I guess. I'm gonna wet it. Is this doing things? No fucking way. I mean, it's certainly not good, but I'm seeing improvement already. Ew. Does this look like progress? Or is this, we think, the best it's gonna get? What do you think? This sucks. Ladies and gentlemen, we lost her. Before the dishwasher. All right, ready? Let's look together. Fuck. I don't know what to do with it. So, go Rockets.